This morning here at 8 o'clock, we started our day with Networking Mastermind coaching. We are on a mission in our team to change how real estate industry works, and how we change the real estate industry is from how real estate agents behave. So this morning we talk about home buyers, for example. When people are looking to buy a home, why would they hire you over and above somebody else? Think about it. Why would a home buyer, I'm sorry, where are you from?
Brampton, Ontario.
Ontario, Canada, right? So if we are looking to buy homes in Ontario, Canada, why should I hire you over and above the other agent? Why don't I just go to realtor.ca, right? And I see the homes there. So what's your value in that transaction? What if the buyers know the truth about Armando in Gilbert, Arizona? Meaning that Armando only show homes that the buyers themselves can see on Zillow. Then there's no use, right? So the buyers will hire us because you have access to homes, including homes that's not available on the internet, and then the owner of the house will hire you because you have a list of buyers. Once you have a list of the buyers that's looking to buy homes in the area, then now when you go to a listing, you show them the reason you hire me to get your home sold for more money is because I already have the buyers in waiting. So our buyer's presentation and listing presentation, they are all connected. Now you need to communicate that clearly on the outside world. Just now we look at Kenneth. On your Zillow, if I look at your Zillow, does it show that? What's your name? I told Kenneth, your name is no longer Kenneth. Your name is Kenneth Lee, your home sold, Kenneth, I'll buy it. And then there's a reasons there. 6 reasons why to call you. Reasons number 1. Do you understand what I'm saying here? So first we need to do it in real life, and then we need to communicate it on the outside. On all the listings, buy this home, I'll buy yours. Call. They call you. But you cannot assume they call you if you don't just put call and put the phone numbers. Once you know how to do this, you work with the buyers. Now you get success stories. You have a lot of success stories. You have closing from buyers that's not on the MLS, and you have more confidence on the buyer side. Once you have more confidence on the buyer side, guess what happens? Now when you go to an owner of the house on a listing, now you really, you show them, look, yeah. So it's all step by step, it takes time. So you need to have the foundation first. Another learning lesson is imitate before you innovate. It means you copy first before you improve. So when we said your home sold, guaranteed, or I'll buy it, what I'm saying is that I'm telling all the potential buyers that if you buy my client's home, I'm going to guarantee the sale of your home. Remember, who are we? We are a marketing company. I only have one job. My job is to create more demand on my seller's client. Okay, so this morning, this whole week, I'm here at one of the top networking, masterminding, coaching, teaching, learning with the top 1,000 real estate agents from all across the United States. There is a problem in real estate industry today is that the traditional real estate agents always do what everybody is doing. So here we are helping real estate agents by changing how they best service our clients. So now let's walk around and interview some of the top brightest minds in real estate, and so we can have an idea as to the change, because the real estate industry is always changing. Today is 2018. The technology becoming more and more advanced. If we don't change, then it's gonna be obsolete. What do you see real estate industry is heading maybe by 2020?
Well, there's probably a combination of problems. One would be there's more and more homes being sold outside of MLSs. Right? There's declining real estate commissions for real estate agents that people should be able to notice inside their MLSs. So it's going to take real estate agents deciding that they just want to bring more value to their clients and taking charge of their own business, negotiating their own fees, not relying on their competitors to do it for them. So if agents could look at their real estate business as a business instead of a real estate job or a commodity, I think buyers and sellers have proven that they would prefer that. So it's a great opportunity for people like you that get it, that understand that buyers and sellers would prefer more value, specialization, an agent who's not like everybody else, that can give them access to real estate or properties that aren't necessarily in the MLS and that sort of thing.
Yeah.
So
that's good. Thank you so
stuff.
much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
My big takeaway yesterday was leadership. Love that, because without being a good leader, you're not going to have a good real estate team, great agents, because they'll have nobody to follow. So I like the leadership aspect that we talked about yesterday.
Yeah.
We have great leaders in this organization. Rudy's one of
What's the
them.
biggest takeaway like that you say, okay, you know what, I'm going to apply that right now?
The leadership and the leadership
Yeah.
aspect. Probably training my team and having my systems in place and being able to lead them so they know exactly what they're doing at all times.
Empowering people.
Yes.
Right? Because
Yes.
what's the definition of leadership?
It's to
The
give-
success of a leader is depend on how many leaders that you raise. All across the US, every single city, every single state, I'm talking to with all the top real estate agents, top real estate sales team. The change in real estate industry is nationwide, right? So we as a real estate agents, if you want to change, if you want to continue to do well, survive in this information age technology, you got to be able to bring more value to the transaction. So for example, in our team here, we have over 30,000 buyers who's looking to buy homes in the area. So the reason the owner of the house hiring our team is because, hey man, we have proven many times that our clients' home net more money. The reason our clients' home net more money is because we have over 30,000 buyers. We have more resources to generate more buyers, to create more multiple offers for our sellers' clients' home.